In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install skies in Luminar Neo. If you're on Windows and want to enhance your photos with dramatic skies, you're in the right place. We'll walk through using the built-in Sky AI tool, installing sky packs from the marketplace, and adding your own JPEG skies. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything lives and how to make your new skies show up in the sky selection list. Start by opening your photo in Luminar Neo and switching to the Edit tab. Scroll down the tool panel until you find Sky AI. Open it, then click Sky Selection. This drop-down is your hub. It shows the ready-made skies that ship with Luminar and any skies you install or add later. Choose a sky to preview it instantly on your image. The tool automatically handles blending, horizon detection, and perspective so you can focus on the look rather than the technical setup. If you've purchased a sky pack from the Luminar marketplace, installing it is straightforward. With Luminar Neo open, go to the top bar and select Extras, then click Marketplace. Locate the sky pack you bought and hit Install. Luminar downloads and installs those skies for you. When that's done, head back to Edit, open Sky AI, and in Sky Selection choose the purchased category. Your new skies will appear as thumbnails there, ready to apply with a single click. You can also bring in your own sky images, such as JPEGs you've downloaded. In Sky AI, open Sky Selection and click the plus icon at the end of the sky list. From the drop-down, choose Show Custom Skies. A file browser window will open to the Custom Skies folder. Drag and drop your sky JPEGs into this folder. If you have many files, you can copy them in bulk, and Luminar will add them all at once. Return to Sky AI, open Sky Selection, and you'll see your custom skies alongside the other thumbnails, neatly integrated and ready to use. For best results, use sky images that are at least 1200 pixels wide and saved as JPEGs. Keeping your custom skies organized helps a lot. Create subfolders inside the Custom Skies folder by theme or lighting conditions, so browsing is faster and choosing the right match is easier. Clear, descriptive names make them even quicker to find during editing. That's all there is to it. Use Sky AI to preview, install marketplace packs when you want curated collections, and drop your own skies into the Custom Skies folder for complete control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy transforming your images with beautiful, believable skies in Luminar Neo.